Okay, do a quick rundown of how to flare a brake line here. Rule number one, never ever forget your fitting. So you put that on, and it's going to be using this type of tool. So he comes with a couple of pieces. This is the first piece. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your brake line in like so. And screw this piece, start threading it in. I learned the hard way. You need to make sure this part is good and down all the way. You tighten these suckers here down. Now you're going to tighten him down all the way, and all that does is puts that brake line in the exact right position it needs to be in. This goes a lot smoother when you're not doing it on the actual line and you're not holding your phone with your knees. So I apologize for the shaky camera. Just tighten her all the way down like that. Then finish clamping these down real good. Nice and snug. Now you're going to loosen this guy. Should come out easily by hand. Now it comes with this other piece. On one side of it, it always has an arrow pointing to the first one. So it's going to be pointing that way. So that is the first flare you do. This is for the double flare on a brake line. Hand tighten all the way down. Take your wrench. Then you want to crank it all the way down. Just to save, I'm going to skip to the end. And we're at the end. All the way down. That's where it's making the flare. This is Nycop line, which is cheaper, more corrosion resistant, and easier to work with than steel lines. Now I'm going to loosen it. Now I'm going to fast forward till I unscrew it. Alright, I've unscrewed it. Now you're going to flip it around to the other end. Option 2. Screw that all the way in. Let's skip ahead. Alright, now after you crank it all the way down, you loosen her up. And now you loosen these. So this is tedious for sure. And let's check our flare here. Okay. Looks good to me. You're gonna want to make sure that lip folded all the way around. Make Make sure that opening is clear. And there's your double flare. It's weird, the first several I made were terrible, and I don't know, it just started to click into place. They don't feel like I'm doing them any different, but now I'm pretty much nailing it. So yeah, there's my double flare. Don't forget that fitting.